Smoked chicken Parmesan. That's right. Let's go. First, to make our Parmesan panko crust, we're going to be taking Italian breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan cheese. Get this a nice mix, just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be taking all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs whisked. Parmesan chicken crust is coming up next. We're going to be taking 4 thin sliced chicken breasts, adding in salt and pepper on both sides, just like so. Very nice. From here, we're going to be grating this with egg and flour on each chicken. Finishing off with breadcrumb mixture. Make sure to pat this down to make sure everything is thick. Placing this onto a baking sheet and heating up our wonderful pan with a 1/2 cup of frying oil. We're going to be frying this 2 pieces at a time, 5 minutes per side, or until it reaches 160 degrees. Now into our smoked tomato sauce, we're going to be taking extra virgin olive oil into our Dutch oven. Then adding in celery, white onion, green bell pepper, chopped parsley, minced garlic, sauteed to translucent, just like so. Then adding in crushed tomatoes, tomato puree goes in next. Cajun seasoning, salt and pepper to taste, and a pinch of crushed red pepper. Chopped basil to add to the nice finish. Get this sauce to a simmer, just like so. Then going into our smoker for an hour with mesquite chips at 275 degrees. Once ready, we're going to be adding our pasta sauce to our chicken, and then our wonderful 3-cheese Italian mix. Bake this until nice and melted. Pasta till al dente, then adding in our pasta sauce to the pasta, and then it's plate time. We're going to be serving this with Castelvecchi Chianti Classico from Italy. Full body palette of blueberry, cherry, plum, and a slight spice. A wine of great harmony, balance, and character of place. Amazing. And there we have it, an amazing smoked chicken Parmesan. Perfect for any weeknight or fancy dinner. As always, please do like, subscribe, follow for future recipes, and I hope you have a good day now, you hear? Bye-bye.